Hello, Nikki here with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I would like to show the benefits of vapor honing. Using a blasting slurry mixture of water and abrasive, like Glass Bead, we can clean and restore materials in a smooth, gentle, yet effective manner in a completely self-contained recycling machine. This process will allow us to remove rust and paint and bring back the original appearance of the piece. Take a look at the examples provided. We have cleaned oxidation, removed paint, and prepared the surface to be recoated. As you can see, what's left behind is a like-new result that only vapor blasting can give you. For more information, give us a call at 828-202-5563 extension 103. Thank you so much.